On 11th of November, Karbi Students Association Bokajan District Committee called for a press conference at Hanjang Langso to address over the swindles of land rights along the four-laning National Highway project issues at East Karbi Anglong. Raju Ingling, president of KSA Bokajan District Committee, during a press conference informed that the name of the landowners arrived on the list of Section 7 is invalid and KSA Bokajan District would never accept it not true. An inquiry must be set up against it. Along NC land of Lahorijan and Langtibuk area, he pointed out that due to misconduct and dishonesty of SK and Mondals, they had registered the land parcels of NC land and transferred the owning rights into the names of their family members. For instance, Longmukrang Timung, son of SK, Langtuk Timung, Chlori Rongpipi, daughter of DFO Jagannath Rongpi, who gave the authority to them to issue a land parcels to the names of their family members. It is done out of greed despite knowing that the land area is NC land. Those were the questions placed to answers during the press conference. They also informed that they will have to file a case at the court and if necessary they'll take the matter to the High Court if not clarification is made from the SK Mondals and DFO Jagannath Rongpi.
Lasi lata haladak la poisa kari panajok SK Mondor tu nadak LCA teklor la pen aram jo teklor stame along gaprek anungan bangke aram sade ada MC sade seta MC sade seta mela tuwar pon krong kiro ana tima bangke nadak pota podasi amen ji thaplap lasi la bangso pot nilatum non hejong amat la bangso pot reply na pivek nangji reply na pite bolan nangte nilatum akan tu yang dengetan nilatum klaim pon nang kokpo.
Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.